AI is no longer just a tool to get quick answers or automate simple tasks. With the release of Claude 3.7 Sonnet from Anthropic, we're witnessing an AI that can not only handle lightning-fast queries, but also dive deep into complex problems like a true problem solver. This new model takes AI to the next level, functioning more like a human brain than anything we've seen before. It's like the AI version of a Swiss Army knife, quick, versatile, and able to handle just about anything thrown at it. So, what's all the hype about? Let's break it down. What's so special about Claude 3.7 Sonnet? Claude 3.7 Sonnet isn't just any other chatbot. It's a hybrid reasoning model, meaning it can switch between quick answers and deep, reflective thinking with ease. For example, if you're asking the AI a simple question like, "What's the capital of Italy?" it'll give you an answer in a snap. But when you throw a more complex query its way, like solving a gnarly math problem or figuring out a complicated coding issue, it can shift into something called extended thinking mode. And that's where the magic happens. In extended mode, the AI doesn't just give you the answer, it shows you its thought process, step by step, just like a human would when solving a tough puzzle. Imagine watching someone work through a problem in real time. This is what Claude 3.7 does, offering you a behind-the-scenes look into its reasoning. And let's be real, it's not every day you get to see the inner workings of an AI that can think on its own. It's like witnessing a superhero brainstorm in action. A peek inside the brain of Claude 3.7 Extended Thinking Mode. Most AI models keep their inner thoughts under wraps, which is understandable because, well, you don't want an AI getting all too transparent. But Anthropic is different. They're giving users access to Claude 3.7's raw chain of thought in extended thinking mode. Think of it like an AI diary, except it's solving problems instead of writing down its feelings. The beauty of this approach is that transparency allows you to see exactly how the AI reaches its conclusions. This is revolutionary because, in the past, many AI systems only provided the final answer, leaving you to wonder, how did it get there? With Claude 3.7, you get the full story. It's like watching Sherlock Holmes work his magic, only in the digital world. A pricing model to keep your wallet in check. Okay, so we've got a super smart AI that can solve complex problems and show us how it does it. But what about the price tag? After all, nothing in life is truly free, right? Claude 3.7 Sonnet isn't exactly cheap. If you're on the free plan, you won't get access to extended thinking mode. But if you're willing to pay for the paid tiers, you'll get the full experience. The pricing model is structured as $3 per million input tokens and $15 per million output tokens. This includes the extended thinking tokens as well. If you're wondering whether that's a deal or a disaster, it's important to consider that Claude 3.7 is about 4 times more expensive than some of its competitors, like OpenAI's GPT-3. However, don't panic just yet. If you do a lot of batch processing or prompt caching, you can get some discounts. Plus, there's a nifty feature where you can cap the number of tokens Claude is allowed to use, which helps you manage costs. It's like setting a spending limit on your credit card, only for AI. Claude Code, a developer's new best friend. Now, for all the developers out there, prepare to have your mind blown. Claude Code is the new AI tool that's been making waves in the world of coding. If you've ever had to spend hours sifting through lines of code, fixing bugs, or writing tests, you'll love this feature. It's an agentic coding tool, which means it can handle a bunch of tasks all at once. We're talking about things like searching through code bases, editing files, writing tests, pushing commits to GitHub, and even using command line tools. It's like having an entire team of developers working for you in a single AI model. But the real kicker, In Anthropic's internal tests, Claude Code was able to handle complicated refactors and debugging tasks in a single pass, tasks that would usually take a human over 45 minutes to complete. That's some serious time-saving magic right there. Claude's coding performance? Best in class? When it comes to coding, Claude 3.7 is truly in a league of its own. Partners like Repli have found Claude to be best in class for real-world coding tasks. It's been tested to build entire web apps and dashboards from scratch, while other AI models struggle to even start. So if you've got a massive coding project on your hands, Claude might just become your new best friend. Mind-blowing benchmarks. Claude 3.7 Sonnet versus the competition. Let's talk numbers. Who doesn't love a good benchmark? Claude 3.7. Sonnet is absolutely crushing it in terms of performance. Spench Verified and T-Bench are the standard benchmarks in the AI world, and Claude 3.7 has set the state-of-the-art scores for both. These benchmarks test an AI's ability to handle complex tasks, and Claude 3.7 is smashing the competition. And here's the wild part. Claude 3.7 can handle 128,000 tokens in extended thinking mode. That's more than 15 times longer than some of the older models. Whether you're working with large code bases or massive data sets, Claude can keep up and still provide coherent answers. Talk about a powerhouse. A AI that can do more than just chat. Computer usability. Claude 3.7 Sonnet doesn't just sit there and spit out answers. No, it can interact with a computer interface just like a human. It can move a cursor, click buttons, type text, and even navigate complex software environments. This means you can have Claude perform tasks directly on your machine, not just within the confines of a single app. Imagine asking an AI to help with software testing or research tasks, and then actually having it do the work. The future is here, folks. Real-world use cases, from coding to customer support. What's the use of a super smart AI if it can't be applied to real-world problems? Claude 3.7 Sonnet is ideal for critical tasks like customer-facing AI and knowledge Q&A. With low hallucination rates, it's a great choice for support tools or advanced chatbots. Plus, it handles visual data like graphs, charts, and diagrams with ease. If you've got complex data to analyze or need to automate a process, Claude is the AI for the job. Safety and transparency. A new era for AI. One of the most important aspects of Claude 3.7 is its safety. Anthropic has done extensive testing to make sure Claude refuses harmful requests without rejecting too many benign queries. In fact, it has 45% fewer false refusals than previous models. They've also focused on preventing prompt injection attacks, a major concern for AI systems. Plus, with the ability to see the AI's thought process in extended thinking mode, users can easily spot when the AI goes off track. It's like having a guardrail to ensure the AI stays in line. As AI models become more powerful, this kind of transparency and safety will be crucial. Claude 3.7, a game changer for developers and beyond. With its advanced reasoning, coding capabilities, and real-world applicability, Claude 3.7 Sonnet is setting a new standard in AI. Whether you're a developer, data analyst, or business owner, this AI can handle everything from coding and testing to complex reasoning and data analysis. It's a game changer, and we've only scratched the surface of what it can do. With its hybrid reasoning model, extended thinking mode, and impressive coding skills, it just might be. Whether you're solving tough problems, building apps, or automating tasks, this AI has your back. And for developers, it's the tool you've been waiting for to boost productivity and streamline your workflow. And that's a wrap on Claude 3.7 Sonnet, the AI that's practically smarter than your last 5 tutors combined. If you enjoyed the brainy ride, make sure to hit that like and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video where we'll explore more AI madness and maybe even teach Claude how to dance.